One of the main things that Study Island is known for is their standardized test practice. And so we are going to take a look at how to get to one of those. Once again, here you can click any of the things on the side here other than Sensi to bring up this programs menu, and that is the same for your students. This will be right there, and they can go ahead and click on their grade level and the subject and pick some kind of skill that you give them to do. I'm going to select rounding numbers. So right here you can see this practice mode. It's the first thing that's always highlighted. There are 10 questions that are automatically given, and in order to get a blue ribbon they will need to complete 10 questions and get at least a 70% or higher. Just for purposes of this video, I'm going to take it down to 2 questions and click next so you can just see an example of the questions. And here it is. It is more of a word problem, and then you do see that you can select more than one answer. Select all the correct answers. Mike wrote down a number on a piece of paper and hid it from his friends. He rounded his number to different places, and his friends had to guess what the number was. First, Mike rounded his number to the nearest 10. Then he rounded his number to the nearest 100. Last, he rounded his number to the nearest 1,000. All 3 times he rounded his number the same value. What could this be? So we can take a look here. It could be this, and we're just going to pick 3 of these and see if we're correct. And you can see that I got 1 correct, 2 wrong. I missed this one, so there were 2 numbers that it could be. If you miss it, you can click explanation and it will explain to you why, and it actually shows you what those numbers are when they are rounded. And then you click next question, and there again we're going to see this mystery number, and I'm just going to type in a number that is greater than 37,493 and less than 37,503, and so 37. It does say it's an even number, and if it's rounded to the nearest 10, it's less than the mystery number. So I'm just going to put in 500 and hit submit. You can see that's not right, and I can then take a look at the explanation of how to actually do that. So we're going to hit end session, and you're going to see I didn't do so hot, so I've got both questions wrong, and it does give me the score of below basic. I'm going to click return to main menu, and you can see that that shows up right here that I did not get those correct. Once again, this is how to do the standardized test practice. You go to any of the topics that is on Study Island, and as soon as you click on those, that practice session is the first thing that comes up.